In this video, we are going to discuss about the example of what is the Elliott wave theory. Let's take a chart example. Let's pick up one example from the Google images. The reason why I am picking from the Google images because the live chart will always confuse you. But there is a one trick to find out the market is following Elliott wave theory or not, and you already know we already covered in the price action. We just need to connect the dots between price action and Elliott wave theory, which we are covering in the next video. But for now, just bear with me and try to learn how Elliott wave theory looks like. Now, if you see this image, okay, in this image you will find out market will give up move 1 2 3 4 5. Market will give move like this one, and the third wave is always bigger wave. Third and fifth wave is always bigger one, but third wave is almost bigger than first wave. So if this case is happen, then there is a high chances that market will still continue the up move. This is the basic thing in the Elliott wave theory as well, which I think we not covered in the last video but covered in this video. Now, hope you got what is meant by Elliott wave theory. Okay, now let's take an example from the chart itself, how to analyze the chart. Now, from where we need to mark 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a correct? No. Why? Because market just created one small swing here. So what I'm doing is, this is if you see the market in the day chart, then what we need to do is just mark from here or here also one wave, one corrective wave, one movement, corrective wave, again movement, then market created corrective wave like first, second, third, fourth. Now this time market moved this one, fifth one. Now there is a high chances that market will drop from here, and I think at least the target is in this zone, like either this zone or this zone, because market will drop here, give this one, and again market will continue his bearish trend or the downtrend in the Elliott wave theory. Now the uptrend, one trend is already over, that is the uptrend in the market. Okay, now indirectly saying, let's again mark the theory pattern 1 2 3 4 5. The reason why I not marked this one as a drop one, because if you see market created just a sharp drop and move upside, but if you see here market go here, dropped, at least move some downside, then move upside, then down some sideways, and then move upside. This is the best case to draw the Elliott wave. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth one. Now there is a high chance that market will move this one. Market will create corrective wave, and this one. This is the impulsive wave. Second one is the corrective wave. This is the impulsive wave. This is the corrective wave. Okay. So hope you got how to analyze the pattern. Now what is my tomorrow's plan? If by this Elliott wave theory I will view as a negative side, or I will make my psychology towards the negative side as per Elliott wave theory, and it's correct as well. If now on this time, like in the November, if you ask anyone in the market who are the Indian traders, they are always saying that one, or they are saying that one, our Indian market is already at the overbought situation. That's why one correction is needed. And as per Elliott wave theory, if you connect that psychology, as per Elliott wave theory, it's in the corrective wave in the sense, as per Elliott wave theory plus market sentiment, today's market sentiment when I am recording this video, both are matching, because market is already at overbought situation and already touched the all-time high, which is almost 19,000 rupees, which is I'm analyzing the chart of Nifty 50, which is an index, good index or company index in the Indian, listed in the Indian stock market. So hope you got this point. Nothing to worry if you not understand how to mark, how to analyze. It's just for analyzing the stock, not for the trade or entry. But in the next video, I'm going to show you one most interesting thing which you already know, but you are not aware that it's a part of Elliott wave theory. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.